Ito na ang inaabangang 2023 PBA Rookie Draft para sa darating na 48 season ng PBA kung saan ilang mga kilalang pangalan nga ang kasali. Umabot ng 128 applicants, mas marami pa nga nakaraang draft na mayroon lamang total ng 98 rookie applicants. So simulan na agad natin sa first round mga idol. For the first pick, Terra Firma Jeep select Stephen Holt. For the second pick, Blackwater Bossing select Christian David. For the third pick, Rain or Shine Elasto Painter select Luis Villegas. For the fourth pick, Rain or Shine pa rin, select Kit Datu. For the fifth pick, Northport Batang Pier select Xavier Lucero. For the sixth pick, Phoenix Super LPG, select Ken Tafen. For the seventh pick, NLEX Road Warrior, select Richard Roger. For the 8th pick, Meralco Bolt select Brandon Bates. For the 9th pick, Converge Fiber select Shawnee Winston. For the 10th pick, Converge Fiber pa rin select BJ Andrade. For the 11th pick, Northport Batang Pier select Cade Flores. For the 12th pick, Terra Firma Jeep select Taylor James Miller. Second round mga idol. For the 13th pick, Terra Firma Jeep select kay Mark Carino. For the 14th pick, Converge Fiber select Brian Santos. For the 15th pick, Rain or Shine select Henry Galinato. For the 16th pick, Phoenix Super LPG select Rafi Verano. For the 17th pick, Phoenix Super LPG select Richie Rivero. For the 18th pick, NLEX Road Warrior select Enoch Valdez. For the 19th pick, Converge Fiber select John Luis De Los Santos. For the 28th pick, Blackwater Bossing select James Kekwete. For the 21st pick, NLEX Road Warrior select JM Normal. For the 22nd pick, Terra Firma Jeep select Mark Sanggalang. For the 23rd pick, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel select Luis Rafael Co. For the 24th pick, Rain or Shine Elasto Painter select Adrian Nocom. Tuwang-tuwa mga idol si John Amores matapos kunin ng Northport Batang Pier bilang 5th pick sa round 5 at halos maiyak naman si Keith Jimenez. Muntika nang hindi umabot, buti na lang kinuha pa siya ng San Miguel Beermen bilang 3rd pick sa round 9.